Here the question is, a man has to go 50 meter due north, 40 meter due east and 20 meter due south to reach a field. So let us consider this is north, south, east and west. Here the first question is that what distance he has to walk to reach the field. That means we have to measure the actual distance he travelled. 50 meter due north. Here let's take from here this point to this point up to 50 meter due north. It is going this side. And then 40 meter due east. Then it is 40 meter due east and 20 meter due south. From east it is now going south direction, that means this direction, 20 meter. Now the total distance, what will be the total distance? Just we have to sum up the total distance he travelled, 50 meter plus 40 meter plus 20 meter, it will be 110 meter. This is the answer for the first question. So come for the second question. What is his displacement from his house to the field? That means for the displacement, when a particle is travelled like this and this, we have to point out the initial position and we have to point out the final position and then we have to draw a straight line that will be the shortest distance. Actually displacement is nothing but the shortest distance between initial point and the final point. So we have to draw the straight line. Straight line will be the shortest distance between the initial and the final position. So this is the displacement. So here initial position was for this particle, it was like this, it was this, and the final position is this. Now for initial, now if this is 40 meter, when it is going due east, that means from this position up to this position it is 40. We can take like this, it is 40 meter, this is the initial position, and if it is going down, that means 20 meter south direction, that means it is 20 meter, and the total initially 50 meter to the north, that means it was 50. So from this position, this distance will be 50 minus 20, that means it is 30 meter. So for this case, the final for this case up to this final position it is 30 meter. That means this is the initial and this is the final position. We can get the net displacement by this. It is 90 degree. So here 40 square plus 30 square. It will come. So for the displacement it will be root under 40 square plus 30 square. So it is 50 meter. And what will be the direction? For this direction, let's take the help of tan theta, tangent, that means tan theta here perpendicular by base, that means 30 by 40, it will come 3 by 4. So theta will be 3 by 4, sorry, tan inverse 3 by 4. Theta will be tan inverse 3 by 4. So for the displacement, this is the value and the direction is tan inverse 3 by 4 north of east, because it is going towards north of east, north to east. This is the direction for the displacement. So answer is this for the distance. For the displacement, it is the value and it is the direction. Okay.